Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cat6 Splitter is probably one of the most underrated networking tools available. It allows you to extend your network without running extra cables, making it perfect for home or office setups. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Cat6 splitters, exploring their functionality, benefits, and how to choose the right one for your needs, so you can make the most of your network. Number 5. NETGEAR GS3055 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. This is the NETGEAR GS305, a 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. It's perfect for expanding your home or office network. It offers a simple, plug-and-play setup. Setting up the GS305 is incredibly easy. There's no software to install or any configuration needed. Just plug it in and it's ready to go. You can place it on your desktop or mount it on a wall. Its compact design allows for flexible placement options. This switch fits seamlessly into any environment. It comes with an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty. This ensures you have peace of mind. It is built to last. The GS305 is designed to be energy efficient, compliant with IEEE 802.3 AZ standards. It operates silently, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. This product is made for use in the US and Canada. It's a reliable and efficient solution for your networking needs. What we like. This switch is incredibly easy to set up, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Its silent operation makes it perfect for noise-sensitive environments like your home office or living room. If you're looking for a reliable and hassle-free network solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The design is clean and sleek, and the switch itself is dead quiet. This compact little box makes it super easy to add more ports to your home network, plus one front port is needed to provide it with internet. Straight out of the box it plugs into my existing home network and just works with no configuration. Number 4. Tuliyet RJ45 Network Adapter, Black. Are you looking to connect more devices? This adapter allows you to split a single Ethernet connection into two. It's a simple solution for expanding your network. Setting up is incredibly easy. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. This adapter is designed for Cat5, Cat5e, and Cat6 cables, ensuring compatibility with your existing network. This adapter provides a stable and reliable connection. It's perfect for home or office use, allowing you to connect multiple devices without any hassle. Enjoy high-speed data transfer with this adapter. It ensures that your devices can communicate quickly and efficiently. You will experience fast and reliable network performance. The adapter is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term use. It's a reliable and cost-effective solution for your networking needs. What we like. This adapter offers a straightforward solution for extending your network connection. Its compact design makes it easy to place anywhere. If you need a simple and effective way to connect devices, this is a great choice. What people say. This product has very limited uses with actual Ethernet. However, if you're wiring an audio system using the Studio Hub standard, this is great for splitting an analog audio feed to 2 destinations. No soldering to split an analog stereo line feed to 2 headphone amps. I used this to create a connection for my cameras. This worked great. I now have 2 cameras in one location and did not need to run another LAN cable. This splitter solved all my problems. Number 3. SinLoon Gigabit RJ45 Splitter Adapter. This adapter lets you connect 2 devices to the internet using a single Ethernet cable. It splits the signal, allowing both devices to access the network simultaneously without interference. It's a simple and effective solution for expanding your network connectivity. Enjoy high-speed internet with this splitter, supporting up to 1000 megabits per second. It also allows for long-distance transmission, up to 100 meters, ensuring a stable connection for your devices. This provides a smooth experience for streaming and gaming. Setting up this adapter is incredibly easy. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to go. 2 devices can connect to the internet at the same time. It is a cost-effective way to expand your network. Made with durable PVC material and featuring a thickened PCB board, this adapter is built to last. The gold-plated pins and metal shielding ensure a secure and reliable connection. The design makes it safe and easy to use. This RJ45 splitter is compatible with various network cables, including Cat7, Cat6, Cat5, and Cat5e. It works with a wide range of devices, such as ADSL, hubs, routers, and computers. It is a versatile solution for all your networking needs. What we like. This splitter allows two devices to access the internet simultaneously without interference. It supports far-distance transmission, ensuring a stable connection. If you have multiple devices and need a reliable, long-range solution, this is the one for you. What people say. So basically I have 1 gig fiber to my home connected to a Google Nest Wi-Fi mesh system that creates a large seamless wireless network throughout my home via several Wi-Fi points. I wanted to convert my non-wireless printers into wireless by using one of the Wi-Fi points, so I connected the two printers to this SinLoon RJ45 network splitter on one end, and to the Wi-Fi point on the other end. Voila! It worked instantly. Now I have taken non-wireless printers, and created a wireless local printer network. This Ethernet splitter works great. So glad I found this. All the other splitters only do 100 to 300 mbs. This one can run 2 Ethernet cord at the same time pushing a 1000 mbs. Through both ports. Great buy. Needed to get failover capability between 2 stacked switches in my home lab but only had a single Ethernet uplink. Now, when I reboot the primary switch, the second port comes up on the secondary switch immediately. No loss in connectivity for any of my devices anymore. Number 2. Wuedozue RJ45 1-to-2 Ethernet Splitter. This adapter splits one Ethernet cable into two. It allows two computers to share a single Ethernet line simultaneously, using the included USB power cable. This makes it easy to connect multiple devices. Each cable group can reach speeds up to 100 megabits per second. The signal transmission of the two cable groups will not interfere with each other. The total input supports up to 1000 megabits per second. This acts as an extension connector without affecting internet speed. You can enjoy your internet surfing without any issues. It meets Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7 performance requirements. It adopts environmental PVC and has a built-in thick PCB motherboard for durability. It also includes a metal shield to prevent electromagnetic interference, ensuring secure signal transmission. The adapter comes with a 1.2-meter USB power supply cable. Its dimensions are 4 cm x 3.5 cm x 2.1 cm. It also includes a 12-month warranty. If you have any problems, please contact us anytime. What we like. This adapter allows two devices to share one Ethernet line simultaneously. It's powered via USB, making it convenient to use. If you need a simple solution to connect two devices, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works perfectly, which allows two devices to be connected to one Ethernet port. The product is designed to allow only one device to be turned on and connected at a time. When I tested it multiple times, my connection speed showed no signs of slowing down. This is a great device that splits one physical Gigabit Ethernet cable into two independent 100-bit connections. I have been plugging and unplugging my LAN cable to connect two different ports in two different rooms. I was skeptical that this would work, but it really works. Now I can connect to both ports without needing to plug or unplug the cable anymore. Number 1. TNP RJ45 Ethernet Cable Combiner Splitter Kit. This kit allows you to combine or split your network connections. It's a simple solution for extending your network without extra hassle. The kit supports HDCVI, AHD, and TVI signals, up to 1080p. It's designed to work with various surveillance systems and devices. It can transmit signals over considerable distances, depending on the signal type and resolution. This makes it suitable for larger installations. The kit includes surge and overvoltage protection. This ensures the safety of your devices during operation. Simply connect the male RJ45 connectors to your switch and the female connectors to your devices. It's a straightforward setup process. It works with 10-100 switches, with or without PO. It's also ideal for devices that don't support power over Ethernet. What we like. This kit provides built-in surge and transient overvoltage protection, ensuring safety during operation. It is compatible with various signals and supports long transmission distances. If you are looking for a reliable solution for surveillance or other applications, consider this one. What people say. Perfect for running 2 PoE security cameras over one network cable. Plugged into 2 PoE cameras on one side, into 2 ports of an Ethernet switch on the other side, and connected the 2 sides with a Cat5 or 6 cable. Got to see the camera images rigged away, installed the cameras beforehand. Would buy again. I was able to use one cable for 2 cameras. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.